Building wealth isn't just about making more money today, it's about creating streams of income that generate long-term financial security. One of the most effective ways to do this is by purchasing a small cash-flowing business, which provides immediate income and equity that can grow over time. Another strategy that can further bolster your financial plan is utilizing whole life insurance policies as a tool for building wealth. Let's dive into both approaches and explore how you can use them to start creating lasting financial success. Why buy a cash-flowing business? When you buy a small business that already generates cash flow, you gain immediate access to a steady income stream. Instead of building something from scratch, which can be time-consuming and risky, you step into a system that is already working. Here's why purchasing an established business can be a smart wealth-building move. Immediate income. One of the biggest advantages of buying a business with existing cash flow is that you don't have to wait months or years to see a return. Whether the business is generating $1,000 a month or $50,000, this income can be used to pay off loans, reinvest in the business, or fund other investments. Leverage your skills. If you have experience in management, operations, or sales, you can apply your skills to grow the business further. A small cash-flowing business often has untapped potential, and your expertise can increase its profitability. Diversification. Adding a business to your income portfolio creates diversification. You're not just relying on your job, stock market investments, or real estate. You now own a physical, income-producing asset. This can reduce financial risk and open up more opportunities for growth. Equity growth. While the immediate benefit is the cash flow, owning a business also allows you to build equity. As the business grows, its value increases. If you eventually decide to sell, you can reap the rewards of both the ongoing income and the appreciation in business value. Tax advantages. Business ownership comes with a variety of tax benefits. Depending on your location and business structure, you may be able to deduct expenses such as interest on loans, equipment purchases, or even your home office. How to buy a small cash-flowing business. Before jumping into a purchase, it's important to do your due diligence. Identify your niche. Find a business in an industry that interests you or where you have some level of expertise. Check financials. Analyze the financials carefully to ensure that the business is generating consistent profits and has a solid balance sheet. Negotiate financing. Many small businesses are sold with seller financing, where the current owner allows you to pay for the business over time. You can also look into bank loans, SBA loans, or private investors to help with the purchase. Evaluate growth opportunities. Look for ways you can add value, whether by cutting costs, increasing marketing efforts, or expanding the product or service offerings. Using whole life insurance to build additional wealth. While buying a business can provide an income stream and build equity, adding a whole life insurance policy to your wealth-building strategy provides stability, liquidity, and more long-term benefits. Whole life insurance isn't just about providing a death benefit. It can also be a powerful financial tool that helps you build wealth while offering protection for your loved ones. Here's how. 1. Cash value growth. A portion of the premiums you pay into a whole life insurance policy accumulates as cash value. This cash value grows over time on a tax-deferred basis and can be accessed via loans or withdrawals for any purpose, including funding business investments or personal financial needs. Unlike other investments that are subject to market fluctuations, the cash value in a whole life policy grows at a guaranteed rate. This makes whole life insurance an attractive option for risk-averse investors looking for steady, predictable growth. Once your whole life insurance policy has accumulated sufficient cash value, you can borrow against it to fund additional investments or even to help buy your cash-flowing business. This loan comes with low interest rates and does not require the approval process that traditional loans demand. Plus, if you don't repay the loan, it simply reduces the death benefit paid to your beneficiaries. Loans from your whole life insurance policy are generally tax-free, as long as the policy remains in force. This provides liquidity that can be used for other investments without triggering a tax event. Legacy and estate planning. Whole life insurance provides a death benefit to your heirs, ensuring your family's financial future is protected. This is particularly useful for business owners, as it can help pay off business debts or ensure continuity if something happens to you. Supplemental retirement income. As the cash value grows, it can be tapped into during your retirement years to provide supplemental, tax-free income. This can be especially useful if the business is sold or passed on to other family members, giving you a steady source of income in retirement. Combining the strategies. The combination of buying a cash-flowing business and using whole life insurance creates a strong, multifaceted approach to building wealth. Here's an example of how the two strategies can work together. Initial investment. You purchase a small business using a combination of personal savings, seller financing, and possibly a loan against your whole life insurance policy's cash value. Business growth. As the business generates profits, you can reinvest those profits to grow the business or use them to pay down debt. Building wealth with whole life. Simultaneously, your whole life insurance policy continues to grow its cash value, offering you another stream of liquidity. If your business faces a downturn, you can borrow against your policy without jeopardizing the business. Long-term security. Over time, the business's equity grows, and your whole life insurance continues to accumulate cash value. When you decide to retire, you can sell the business or pass it on to your heirs while tapping into your whole life policy for additional income. Building wealth is a journey that involves smart, strategic decisions. By purchasing a small cash-flowing business, you create an immediate income source with the potential for long-term growth. Adding a whole life insurance policy to the mix gives you financial stability, liquidity, and a tool for building wealth in a low-risk, tax-advantaged way. Together, these strategies can provide the foundation for a secure financial future while offering flexibility and growth potential for years to come.